Hey guys, Sachin here. So welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be sharing with you how to buy a solo ad on Udemy. Okay, this is going to be a Udemy solo ads tutorial video, and this video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can save your money avoiding some solo ad vendors. Okay, this is from my experience of buying like 64 orders over here. So even if you consider that each order is like $100 or $150, I've spent over $6,400 eventually on this platform. And from all of my experience on the Udemy, I'm sharing this video as a review. Okay, this is not something that I'm promoting. Even if you are on Udemy, you can still go and watch my video because it's gonna open up your eyes, because a lot of solo vendors tell you that he has got a bias clicks. I'm going to be exposing actually what is a buyer click and what kind of results you can get with a buyer click. Let me show you some of my real example over here. Just give me a sec. So here I'm in my Warrior Plus account. This is my ID over here, and you can see we have one of the offers which I promoted, and this is with the real buyers click. I put in the tracking code like buyers, and you can see the normal EPC that I'm getting is $3.33. And let me show you another one. Okay, so this is another campaign. You can see the buyers clicks, and this is $4.73. Okay, this is normal EPC. If I can show you another one, this is Aurora. This is just with 56 clicks. You can see $2.53. So what I'm going to be sharing with you, trust me, my friend, listen to this. Those vendors who are reaching out to you and they are telling you that they have got buyers clicks, let me explain what exactly is the buyers clicks. Okay, but first let us continue and let's see what exactly Udemy is all about and how you can buy solo ad on Udemy and how to find a good solo ad vendor. So if you're already on Udemy, you will be here on the dashboard. Just click on the find seller, and what are the filters which I personally use is I would choose visitor is okay depending on whatever budget you have. Ratings, I would consider the highest one, which is 500 plus. Then I would go with price is not a deal for me if the quality is good. Gut sales is according to right now the time zone, which is like 2023. I would consider 40% is a good one, because a lot of time what happens is a lot of solo ads had reach out to me when I bought the order from them, and after the solo ad had completed, they reach out to me and they ask me to rate them as gut sales, and the next time we would give you higher clicks or a lot of clicks, that kind of thing. That is something I don't like, and these are some of the shady vendors which, trust me, you should always avoid. Okay, repeat order, this is the important function which a lot of people miss out, and I would keep it 20%. What does this mean is how many people have got repeat orders from this solo vendor. Really important. Why do somebody order again? Because he has got results. He's happy with the results. He has got sales, and that is why he buys again. Okay, so this is some of the filters which I always put in, and these are the vendors that will pop over here. Now basically I have bought from all of them. So Gabe is great, Thomas Freeman is great, Endless is one of my favorite, and in my lot of previous videos I have told that I have got absolutely fantastic results with Endless. Now in this case you would say 81% is the sales rate. That is, past 100 orders this guy has delivered 81 times. 81 people have got sales from this person, which is phenomenal. Okay, and top of that, 26 people of them have again bought from Indolus. This is something it's absolutely incredible. So and I've got results with that person, and if you check out price over here, maybe it would be a bit higher. If you see over here for 67 cents. Now what you can do is go to solo deals and search for a particular vendor in whatever. This is Thomas Freeman, which normal price was like 58 cents, but here you can get 17% off. With Gabe also there was for like 48 or 40 or 44, and here you can get it at $40, 40 cents. Okay, $40 for 100 clicks. Then we should be finding Indulus, which is my favorite over here. So let's go find Indulus. I don't know if he has got deal posted a deal over here, but you can find here Indulus and you can get it at 19% off. Instead of 67 cents, you can get it at 54 cents as 19% off. Okay, so you can go to Solo Deals and get a much cheaper price from the same vendor which we have selected. Okay, the quality is the same, but just because they have got a solar vendor has got that he can deliver like 1,000 clicks in a day. Okay, and he's filled up book order like 400 or 600 clicks. So the remaining 400 clicks, what he would do is he would give it at a cheaper price to just fill in his all order. Okay, that's a serial game. Okay, so this is the way you would be finding solo ad vendors over here. Then you can straight away buy from him. I just bought from Leah, but I didn't get any sales, but maybe it was a small traffic package, but I would be testing her a lot more in future. Like Thomas is great, Gabe is phenomenal, then Indulus, then a lot of these people, you can test it out. Okay, don't go beyond 200. 200 is a good way to test out, my friend. Okay, even if you got a best sales funnel in the world, please don't go beyond 200 clicks. 200 clicks is a great way. Okay, also I would recommend something which is you want to buy from, let's say from Gabe, if you want to buy, when you buy a solo ad, there is another filter which is you can select the package which is like 200, let's say 200 or 200 clicks. He delivered top tier, so you don't want to apply for this. Only mobile, you can it's not required because it's 90% of mobile. But the important thing which I would do is click this prime filter. What it would do is over here is it would add some 3 cents per click, but it will deliver you the highest quality. Okay, it will stop the bot, all that kind of thing, the normal filter, but it would add additional filter. That means the money that you are spending just 3 cents more than whatever you are paying. So if you're paying like 40 cents, you will be costing like 43 cents. But the click that you would get is the highest quality. Okay, it's not a bot, robot, that kind of thing. It would be a real human being. Okay, and they will track all this kind of thing. Okay, you don't even need a tracker over here. Okay, so I would recommend this prime filter. It will just increase the price, but it's absolutely must. Now let me come to the most important thing. Is a lot of time, a lot of this vendor share that they have got sales. Now a solo ad vendor normally have a bias, but it's not a separate bias list that they have. Let me show you. A normal bias list, when you send traffic, normally gets you minimum of $2 EPC. So let's say, for example, what I mean by that is, let's say you buy 100 clicks for $50, you get 40 subscribers, you get just one sale, and let's say it's for $10. Then the normal EPC for this one is $10 divided by 40, that is 25 cents. So basically each subscriber is worth over 25 cents. This is with a normal traffic. When it comes to buyers, this will increase to 3.33 for this campaign, or for this campaign it will increase to 4.73, and for this one, a little test buyers clicks, it's like 2.53. So normally you will get a $2 EPC with the buyers clicks. If somebody is giving you 100 buyers clicks, and if you're not getting $2 EPC, trust me, that are not buyers clicks. Now who has got buyers clicks? The product launches that happens on Warrior Plus or any other platform like ClickBank or any other platform, the vendor who launches that product they have got buyers. Okay, if a product has sold over 1,000 units, then they have got 1,000 buyers. And then we deal with those vendors that make sure you give me a bonus spot in your members area of the front end product, and we will give you 10 sales, maybe 50 sales, maybe 100 sales, and the vendor happily gives you because he also gets a sales from us. So it's a win-win for both of us. And then when people or the a product purchaser in the members area see our banners and they click on the banner, that is a buyer click. Trust me, friend, nobody will tell you this, but that is a buyer click, and that buyer's clicks will get you this kind of EPC. These are the most golden clicks you would find ever in the internet marketing and affiliate marketing. Nobody has got buyer's clicks other than the product vendors. They only have the buyer's clicks. How do you think that solo ads have a buyer's clicks? Okay, they don't launch a product. Even if they launch, they have one product, and whoever buys that product, maybe 500 people, they have only 500 buyers. Then those people who come from some media buyers, they have opted into the list, then they go to an email follow-up, they open the emails, they click on the links. That doesn't qualify them to become a buyer. They are engaged, they are responsive leads, not a buyer's clicks. Trust me, my friend, please make sure to understand this thing. Those people who tell you that they have got buyer's clicks, make sure to understand that the normal EPC you should be getting is $2 with buyer's click. Okay, and I'm telling you with my 4 to 5 years, maybe 5 to 6 years of experience, my friend, that a buyer clicks is always more than $2 EPC. So on Udemy, if somebody is telling you that got buyer clicks, try them for 200 clicks, see the results, and if you're not getting results, trust me, they have not got buyers clicks. Okay, so in this way, you would be finding a good solar vendor on Udemy. Okay, and don't get fooled by this solar vendor. Whoever are reaching out to you on Facebook, please stay away from them. Make sure to get from Udemy, because this is a competition marketplace. A lot of vendors are competing with each other, and that is why when you buy smaller packages like 200 clicks, they would be giving you the highest quality click, and they want this kind of ratings, my friend, because the higher the rating, the more orders they will get. So they are basically competing with each other. Okay, so always make sure to buy traffic from a marketplace, a competitive marketplace, and not from somebody else on like Facebook. Even if they are selling it for 25 cents, don't buy it. Buy it from this Udemy marketplace. So that's it. Let me know how you like this video. If you like this content, you can like this video. If you didn't like it, just click the dislike button. Let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next video. Okay, so make sure save your money and don't believe all of the solar vendor, whatever they tell you. Don't just believe. Track it. Okay, so if some of you have not joined Udemy, you can join by the link in the description. In the first line, you would get a $5 discount on your first order, and I have also made a lot of videos on telling you which is the solar vendor which I basically prefer. He is a great vendor, and for the long term I would prefer him. Okay, so reach out to me if you have any questions over here, and I will be more than happy to help you, my friend. Okay, so see you then in the next video. Till the next time, have a great day.